Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
Kitchens are the heart of any home. They are where people share meals, hang out with family and friends, cook, or entertain guests. Most people have always wanted a beautiful kitchen that meets their needs. But most homeowners are limited by their budget and space constraints. There is no need to worry. There are many small kitchens ideas that can help you create a beautiful kitchen at an affordable price. And all these small kitchens come in different designs and styles that will make your home unique. There are many benefits to having a small kitchen. First of all, it is much easier to manage your space. You can fit more cabinets and countertops in a small kitchen than in a large one, so you have more storage space. This is great if you cook for yourself or just two people. Second, a small kitchen is cheaper to build than a large one. You can use less expensive materials and save on labor costs. Third, it is harder to accommodate guests. A small kitchen will maximally fit only two people comfortably because of the limited space for both seating and maneuverability. Thus, you won't be able to invite a lot of friends over who need extra room in your home. Most small kitchens are created in an L shape because that design fits perfectly into smaller spaces with little wasted space on each side or at the back, also called left or right corner. This type of design doesn't take up much space, but it has all the important features you would want in a kitchen, such as storage and countertops. Kitchens preform several functions like storage, cooking/serving area, etc. So to make your small kitchen's functionality is better, easy and usable, we can consider get different appliances from Appliance Warehouse. The simplest things are best for smaller kitchens because they allow more work surface access to the cook and storage above, makes your life easier in the kitchen. In small spaces and open plan kitchen design, your appliances need to be low profile. Storage will also become an important consideration in a small space. Consequently, wall cupboards are best solutions for this kind of space because you can fit more into them as well. Storage above also makes things easy by cooking fruit or vegetables without have to completely remove the food from refrigerator table. Easy access design is built in order to make your cooking easier and quicker. With less space to work with, you should consider purchasing portable countertops or backsplash tiles. This allows you to unfold your sink and turn the kitchen into a full-functioning dining table while you go on cooking meal below, which will save lots of time before open the door back. It is also useful for storing little items that usually stored near in small kitchens like plates, glasses, etc. Installing awesome vanities to make your kitchen look beautiful. The best thing you can do for a small kitchen is to add visual appeal. Incorporate hanging lights and wall mirrors as well, since they'll both help make your space appear larger than it actually is. Make sure that the lighting fixtures you choose are energy efficient. Use CFL bulbs or LED lamps instead of regular ones if possible, as they consume less energy and last longer. Choosing the right furniture to put in your small kitchen. Do not make your kitchen furniture unnecessary. Don't buy costly items that won't match the decor of your interior, or worse, it will look out of place in a cozy little space like this one. Keep only things you need for practical reasons. If you feel that there is nothing that will just feel right in your kitchen, don't waste extra money on matching items that will sit unattended. Your goal is to use materials you already own so that you do not need to buy new ones. Picking the perfect set of furniture for a small space takes more time than usual, of course. Try watching some home improvement compilation videos or read any number of DIY blogs before buying anything. Be sure to ask yourself, how long do you intend to be living in this apartment? In the end, don't splash out all of your money on something that won't serve.